Many men over 50 believe that changes in performance are simply a normal part of aging. But in many cases, the real issue is not age itself. It's circulation. As a urologist who has helped men for decades, I've seen how small changes in blood flow can make a significant difference in male health and natural potency. Interestingly, there is a specific pressure point on the body that may help stimulate circulation when used correctly. Body that may help stimulate circulation when used correctly. Yet most men have never been shown where this point is or how to press it properly. In this video, I'll show you exactly where this point is located and how to apply pressure the correct way to support healthy circulation naturally. Before we continue, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and sharing this video with someone who may need to hear this information. And stay with me, because the way you press this point matters more than most people realize. Now let's locate the point. Sit comfortably and lift one foot so you can see the inside of your ankle. Look for the ankle bone on the inner side of the foot. Just behind that bone, between the ankle and the Achilles tendon, there is a small, slightly soft area. That is the point. Place your thumb on this spot. Apply gentle but firm pressure. It should not feel painful. Just steady, comfortable pressure. Hold it there for about 60 seconds. As you press, take slow, relaxed breaths and keep your body relaxed. Some people notice a mild warmth or a subtle sensation spreading through the lower leg. That sensation is often associated with stimulation of local nerves and small blood vessels. Scientific research on acupressure and reflexology has shown measurable changes in circulation. In clinical observations measuring blood flow in the lower limbs, stimulation of certain pressure points increased tissue oxygenation and circulation during treatment. Other studies examining reflexology techniques have reported blood flow increases of over 100% in the stimulated areas shortly after pressure was applied, suggesting that activating nerve endings in the feet can trigger noticeable vascular responses. Researchers believe this may happen because pressure on these points stimulates sensory nerves that help release substances such as nitric oxide, which encourages blood vessels to relax and allows blood to move more freely. Beyond circulation, stimulating this area may also support several other aspects of health. Some studies and clinical observations suggest potential benefits such as reduced stress, improved sleep quality, better nerve signaling, reduced muscle tension, improved digestion, support for kidney function, better lower body circulation, reduced fatigue, improved relaxation response, and support for hormonal balance. These effects are believed to occur because pressure stimulation can influence the nervous system, encourage relaxation of blood vessels, and activate reflex pathways connected to different organs. After about a minute, slowly release the pressure. Then repeat the same process on the other foot. The entire technique is simple and takes only a short moment, but when practiced consistently, it can become a small daily habit that supports healthy circulation. Now that you know exactly where this point is, how to press it, and all the potential health benefits, let's move on to a simple step-by-step routine. I'll show you how to make this pressure point a daily habit that maximizes circulation, boosts vitality, and lets you feel the difference over time. For best results, consistency is far more important than intensity. Let me tell you a quick story. One of my patients, let's call him Mark, was in his early 60s. He came in frustrated because he noticed changes in his circulation and energy over the past few years. He'd tried every supplement and quick fix you can imagine, but nothing worked long term. After I showed him this simple pressure point and how to integrate it into his daily routine, he was skeptical at first. But he committed to pressing the point on each foot for 1 minute in the morning and again before bed, staying hydrated, and walking for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Within just a week or two, he started noticing subtle changes. His lower legs felt warmer, he had more energy during the day, and even small walks felt easier. By the third week, he reported more significant improvements in vitality, circulation, and overall well-being. You can follow the same approach. Press the point on each foot for 1 minute in the morning, jump-starting circulation and energizing the body. Repeat the same process before bed, relaxing the lower legs and supporting overnight circulation. Always use gentle, comfortable pressure. Stop if you feel pain. Safety is important, especially if you have diabetes or circulation issues. Pair this with 2 other supportive habits. Stay properly hydrated throughout the day. Water is essential for blood flow, supports nerve signaling, and helps organs function optimally. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of walking daily. Even light movement is one of the most powerful natural ways to improve circulation and strengthen the cardiovascular system. With consistent practice, many men begin to notice improvements in circulation, energy, and lower leg warmth within 1 to 2 weeks, while more significant benefits, including improved vitality, may appear over 3 to 4 weeks. Just like Mark, these small daily habits, when done consistently, can reinforce each other and help you maintain healthy blood flow, better energy, and overall vitality over time. If this technique has already sparked your interest, here's what you should do next. Hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribing ensures you don't miss any of the medically grounded tips, simple routines, and expert-backed strategies I share specifically for men over 50. And don't just keep this to yourself. Share this video with a friend, a brother, or anyone in your life who could benefit from improving circulation and energy naturally. A brother, or anyone in your life who could benefit from improving circulation and energy naturally. Sometimes, a single small habit, like this 1-minute pressure point, can completely change someone's day, week, or even their long-term health. This 1-minute pressure point can completely change someone's day, week, or even their long-term health. I also want to hear from you. Comment below below if you're going to try this routine. Tell me what you notice after a few days or weeks. Your experiences don't just help me. They help others in this community see what's actually working. Sharing your results can inspire other men to take the same steps toward better circulation and vitality. Remember, this isn't about quick fixes or pills. It's about small, consistent habits that build on each other. Start with just 1 minute per foot, pair it with hydration and a short walk, and stay consistent. Over time, you may notice improvements in circulation, energy, leg warmth, and overall vitality, just like many of my patients who have tried this for weeks. And here's the exciting part. The next video I'll release will cover a nighttime circulation hack that works while you sleep, designed to help men over 50 boost blood flow, support hormonal balance, and improve energy for the next day. You'll want to be ready for that one. So do this today. Subscribe, share, and comment below. Commit to 1 minute for yourself, and let your body start responding naturally. Small actions, done consistently, create the biggest transformations. You've already taken the first step by watching this video, now keep going. Your circulation, your energy, and your vitality will thank you.